Hey guys, welcome to the first house tour for 2018. There will be 5 house tours on this channel this year. There's going to be this one, which is going to be a Valentine's Day edition, then a spring one, a summer one, a fall Halloween one, and a Christmas one that I do. So yeah, I hope you love house tours. If you love house tours, like and subscribe. Join the Diva Squad. I post every single day. Okay, you guys, so I'm just going to show you what I have so far for the Valentine's Day stuff this year. And then I don't have a lot in the room, so I will probably be doing a room tour soon as well for this year to show you more Valentine's decor that I put in this room. This is my bedroom, of course, duh. Anyway, I have this comforter. I've gotten so many questions about where I got this comforter. This one right here with the bows. This is from Target, and I got it in 2012. So yeah, if you can find it, definitely try to find out if you can get it. It's an amazing comforter. I love it during the winter especially because it keeps me really, really warm. So yeah, it has the white, the pink, the gray, the fuchsia bows. And I love filming in front of it too. It's really a pretty aesthetic. And you guys have been telling me how much you love it. So yeah, Target. I got it 6 years ago at Target. So yeah. Okay, you guys, so that is the comforter. And this is very Valentine's Day to me as well because it's, you know, bows and pretty. It has the pink Valentine's Day colors, the purple, fuchsia, and yeah, pink and stuff. Okay, that's the first thing. You guys, guess what video is coming probably tomorrow? Here's a sneak peek. The Bath & Body Works storage. Yeah, this is a sneak peek at the Bath & Body Works storage video. This isn't even all of it. This is just some of it. There's stuff underneath this bed. Bath & Body Works. Plus in the bathroom, under the sink, and in the closet. There's a ton. So that'll be, I think, tomorrow's video. Yeah, I'm going to film that next. But anyway, I'm going to get ahead of myself. So that's just the first thing, this Valentine's Day-ish. The next thing is this bear that I got. Now, I got this Valentine's Day bear from a friend of mine, a guy friend of mine, I would say 2014, I believe. And yeah, very, very cute. And he has his red bow, and yeah, he's adorable. I forgot what I named him, but he's really, really cute. So I have that actually all year round, but it works for Valentine's Day too. I actually got him around Valentine's Day 4 years ago. So that's pretty much it for the room for Valentine's Day decor so far. Again, I will be doing a room tour as well coming up soon. I hung this scarf that I got from the Dollar Tree. And this is really pretty. It's light pink. It also has all these different little hearts on it. So I hung this over here. I think it's really nice. Dollar Tree and 99-cent store, you guys, has amazing decor, really affordable and just super cute. I love those stores for seasonal decor because, well, for everything really, but for seasonal decor because you can just buy stuff and, you know, every season, and you can decorate your whole room on a budget, and it's just really, really great. In the bathroom this year, what I did was, one, I always have pink towels. So that's obvious. But then I had these little cute towels from the Dollar Tree as well. This one's white, these hand towels with different hearts on it, which is really, really beautiful. And this one that says Love Forever XOXO with hearts. Wonderful. So I just kind of, you know, put that there, stacked it over there. And that's it for here. And then, of course, I have my pink little mirror. Makeup collection is coming as well. A little sneak peek. Maybe next week, or maybe yeah, in the next week. I just got my Sephora online order in yesterday, so I'll be doing that haul soon. And when I finish that, then I'll be doing my makeup collection. I'm going to be doing like with the Bath & Body Works collection. I'm going to put it all over the floor and then do every section and show you everything in detail. It's going to be so much fun. It's going to be the biggest collection ever. So if you like makeup and hauls, subscribe because I do a lot of makeup videos and hauls. So join the Diva Squad, hey! Okay, so this pink mirror, I think I got this at 99-cent store last year. It's pink, it's Valentine's Day-ish. And let's see, what do we have here? Okay, so this is what I've gotten so far in the I guess, upstairs living room. These signs are all from the Dollar Tree or 99-cent store. I think these are all from 99-cent store, I believe, this year. This one says, Hello, Love, and I have all these hauls last week, so go check out those hauls for everything in detail. Yeah, Hello, Love. Really, really gorgeous. Then I have the Hugs and Kisses. Very pretty. Then I have another Hugs and Kisses. Because you can't have enough of those for Valentine's Day with your Beautiful, fabulous. Girlfriend or boyfriend. Or friend. I mean, honestly, love, speaking of love, 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 Valentine's Day is all about all kinds of love. Whether it is your significant other, your family, your friends, just love in general. That's why I love this holiday. Get it? I love this holiday because it's all about celebrating love in all forms. No matter who you're with. Hello, beautiful. Hello, lovely. Then we have love with the arrow. And then I love all this decor, you guys. It's so pretty. You have the cute little monkey with the hearts. We have this battery-operated light-up mini heart lights. How cute is that? Oh my gosh. I love these. So I got 2 sets of these. And then we have this glittery plant pot. Potted plant kind of thing, with hearts and XOXO ribbon. We have this pretty glass vase. Hug. These glasses are so cute. These just have mini hearts on them. Sequined heart, because I'm extra diva like that, of course. These are cute little glittery hearts that I scattered here. Very romantic. This cute little angel bear with wings, so pretty. This little cute teddy bear holding a heart. His little legs dangling. He's adorable. And over here we have another cup that says Happy Valentine's Day. And a cute little pug, Snoopy. Cute little Be Mine Valentine's Day thing. He kind of reminds me of, like, do you remember that Target commercial in which the dog had its, like, one of the eyes covered with the circle? He kind of reminds me of my little Target dog. Remember those Target commercials, like, maybe like 6, 7 years ago? So yeah, and then this is kind of like the overview of everything upstairs. Let me back up here for you. Really, really pretty. I love this. Just very simple and affordable and just really adorable. So, did I zoom in on this one? Yeah, there we go. XOXO right there. So that's everything for upstairs. Now I'm just going to show you some of the downstairs decor. It isn't really Valentine's Day, but I thought I would include that since this is a house tour after all, right? So I'm going to show you some of the cute decor. Some of it's Valentine's Day. Some of it is stuff that we have all year round, but it works for Valentine's Day as well. Let me just show you this. Really, really nice. So we have the foyer. I love saying that, so fancy, the foyer. We have these candles here. Really nice. And then we have these beautiful jars. Really, really beautiful. I love these jars. We have these candles. Health, love, and wealth. And time of... Oh, wait. Time of... Well, anyway, you get the point. Nice, lovely message. Another candle, another vase. Very beautiful right there. And then over here, I want to show you these angels. They're so beautiful. I got these, I think, at the Dollar Tree last year, and these are beautiful. This one's like pink and white. This one's light blue and white. This one's silver and glittery. And then I want to show you these beautiful, these other angels. They're so cute. Look at these. They're so beautiful. I think I got these either at 99-cent store or Dollar Tree. They're lovely for all times of year. Valentine's Day, Christmas, and just all year round, really. I love this decor. Oh my gosh. Isn't this beautiful, you guys? It's lovely. So, yeah, I just wanted to show you that. So, let me just go over here. Let me see. I think that's about it, you guys. Let me just take you back upstairs. It's a bit early, so we didn't do flowers yet, but usually we do like flowers and stuff. Yeah, just lovely. Oh, I forgot to show you this blanket. Oh my gosh, I got this at Target a couple years ago. This is beautiful. It's like a nice plush throw blanket. And it has white, pink, and white, pink hearts with a red background. It's really, really soft and nice. Keeps you warm during the winter, and it's just lovely for Valentine's Day. And I just drape it over the couch like this. So yeah, maybe I'll make an appearance in future videos. We'll see. I guess sometimes I film in front of this couch. So yeah, I think that's about it, you guys. Yeah. Oh my gosh. So that's all I have so far. Oh, I love this. This isn't really Valentine's Day, but I guess it kind of goes. This little sign. I got it last year, but this I keep all year round. It's a lovely message. Not all who wander are lost, which I think is really a good message of, finding yourself no matter how long it takes. Some of us, we're all on a different journey in life, and some of us just take longer to find who we are and what we're searching for in life. So, and that's the floor creaking, in case you're wondering. That's a little creaky noise. But, yeah, that's my Valentine's Day house tour 2018. But many more house tours are coming, and a room tour is coming. Bath and Body Works storage video is coming, like I said, tomorrow. And the room tour and so much more. So definitely like, comment, subscribe. Join the Diva Squad. I upload videos every single day, and I will see you. Another sneak peek at the collection coming. The Bath & Body Works storage video coming tomorrow. Another sneak peek. The mirror again. Oh, I love this. I got this last year as well. Kind heart, fierce mind, brave spirit. That goes for all year round as well, but I love that. Also Dollar Tree. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow for an all-new video. Bye, guys.